All right, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell coming back at you, showing you one more time how to get that passive income in 2021. Now, I like to always come in and show you guys some passive income streams that you could make money online without needing any referrals, and it's just very easy to do. But just know that everything I show you is not any kind of financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. Just simply showing you some things that I found online that are very helpful and ways that you can make some money if you choose to take action. But you need to accept your own risk and just know that everything you do online is a risk, and you can always lose everything or you can make a lot of money. So it's really up to you, but just know that I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and hopefully you can find some interest in this and you might want to take the same action as well. So anyway, today we're going to talk about this cool strategy I found by another YouTuber. And I think it's a very cool strategy that I'm not sure if he developed it or someone else developed it, but he showed me how to do it. I did it, it worked, so I'm now going to show you guys. And it's what it does simply is we use free sites to make Litecoin and Ethereum, and we actually show you how to you can use those sites to get money for free just by clicking on an hourly faucet. You click it, you follow the captcha, and you get earned Litecoin. Like you see on the site here. This is a screenshot you're looking at right now. But I just want to show you guys another method on how to actually multiply that money manually, and it is a risk, of course, but we're going to use this free money to make more free money, and then you can just go ahead and cash out to your wallet whenever you're ready. So I'm gonna make this quick video, just showing you how to do it. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you, show how it works, and it's Memorial Day weekend, so I'm gonna get back to the family real quick. But just want to show you guys. Right now, you're looking at a screenshot of my free Litecoin page, and as you see up here, I have 0.0020836 Litecoin in this uh, online platform. And it's a free program. All you need is an email address to get signed up. Just make sure you use your real email address because they will use that to verify when you make your withdrawals into your own wallet. And I just want to show you guys now real time. So right here you see I saved this a few minutes ago. I had just used the free faucet on the site, and it brought me up to the 0.0020836 right here. So we'll call that 208,306 satoshis of Litecoin. And I'm gonna go real time and show it here real time. I have 52 minutes left as the countdown timer is showing me I can come back and click this free faucet once every hour. So I'll come back, and when you roll the faucet, if you get any number between here, you're gonna earn this amount of Litecoin. If you hit a number through here, you earn this amount. Hit a number through here, you earn this amount. So I'll just be honest. I've been doing this for a while, and you most always get the top number. It's going to pay out the least amount, which is cool because it's just free money. But coming in every hour, you can actually go, click this every hour. Even having a little alarm right here to let you know when the hour is up. You come back and just roll the free faucet, and it just adds to your balance up here. So you see so it's been what? It's been 59 minutes ago. Right when the 59 minutes countdown is when I took the screenshot, and then real time you see it's 8 minutes later, and there's my same balance, right? So I'll go and refresh the page. So what I want to do is show you up here is the multiply option. Now here in the multiply option, you can actually set up to multiply your Litecoin either manually or automatically. There is an auto method for it that he showed us. I have used the auto method. It works great too. But it's a little bit more risky because you are allowing the system to do it for you, and if you miss one thing, you could wind up losing your Litecoin. But the way he sets it up for auto and manual is very, very similar. But I'm going to show you how you can simply make these clicks yourself, and you can actually increase this money. So I want you to watch this happen. Watch. I'm going to do it in real live time here. So what you're doing is going to go to manual, and it tells you here that this is your current balance. You see it's right here, right? And it says you can win 10 Litecoin when you bet high and low, and your number is higher or lower than what the actual amount you bet. So what we do is we're going to set this to when you have a decent amount of coins at per already. I like to get it to 80 Litecoin as the base bet, and you always leave this as 50% chance of winning, always. So I'm normally would come in here and change this amount to just straight 80, but I'm going to show you, I'm going to work up to 80 first and then make 80 my base bet. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back and forth between low and high, low and high, low and high. we're also going to multiply and divide those amounts. So the way it works is you're going to first just say bet high, right? And if you win, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the winning amounts by 2. As you see, I bet high, I won, and so I got 10 Litecoin added to my balance right here. Now, I'm going to keep doing this until I get to my base amount of 80 right here. So let's go again. We'll go the opposite now. Bet low. Okay, I won again. So there we go. I earned 10 more right there. So I'll switch off and I'll go bet high. Okay, I won 3 times in a row, so we're doing good. I won another 10 and I added to my balance right here. And then we're going to go bet low. Okay, so I lost. So here's a strategy. When you get a loser, what you want to do then is you're going to multiply your bet by 2. So you're going to click it 1 time. Okay, so now we're betting 20. Okay, and we're still going to go to the opposite. Last time I said it was going to be lower than 50,000, and it wound up being higher than 50,000, so I lost. So now I'm going to do the opposite. I've done my multiply once, and I'm going to press bet high. Okay, I've lost again. Okay, so I've lost 20. So now I'm going to multiply again. Puts me up at 40, and I'm going to go bet low. Okay, I've lost again. Okay, which is okay because we're going to make this back. I'm going to show you how. So now I'm at 40 now, right? All right, so now I'm going to go bet, and now I'm going to multiply again, and I'm going to bet high. Okay, so now we have a winner. So now we've actually won 80 coins, right? And it put us here to 208,346. When I started, I was at 208,306. So now I'm at 346. So I'm up by 46, right? And I'm now at my base. My base is going to be 80. This is going to be my base that we're always going to return back to, okay? The strategy is naturally when you win, you want to divide by 2 twice until you get back to your either divide by 2 amount or you reach your base bet of, for me it's 80. If you lose, you're going to multiply your bet and then switch to the opposite side and keep multiplying the losers and divide by 2 twice for the winners. Okay, so last time I won going high, well now I'll go low. I won again, so I normally would divide by 2, but I'm at my base bet, so I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to go to the opposite and bet high. Okay, I lost. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is my high bet lost, right? And I'm at 208,346. So now I'm going to multiply by 2. All right, and I'm going to go to the opposite and bet low. Okay, I lost again. Multiply by 2. Opposite, bet high. Okay, I won. Okay, so now that I won, I'm at 208,506. All right, and I won the high bet. So now I'm going to divide by 2 1 time, divide by 2 again. Okay, and that brought me back down to my 80 base bet. Okay, so now I'm going to bet low. Okay, I lost. So now I'm going to multiply my bet to 160, and I'm going to bet high. Okay, I won. So because I won, I'm going to divide by 2. However, I'm at 160. So if I divide by 2, I'll drop below my base bet. So divide by 2, bring me back to my base of 80. And I keep going back and forth. Bet low. I won. So I'm at my base bet, no change. Bet high. I lost. Okay, multiply by 2. Bet low. Okay, I won, so I'm going to divide by 2. I reached my bet of 80. I would divide by 2 twice, but I'm at my base of 80. So now I'm going to bet high. I won, so I'm going to bet low. I won, I bet high. I won, bet low. Okay, I lost, so I'm going to multiply and then bet high. I'm going to multiply again, bet low. Okay, I won. So now I'm at 209,066. I'm going to divide once, divide again, and now I'm back to 80. You never divide more than 2 times, and you always multiply 1 time for the winners, divide once or twice for the losers. Usually it's going to divide twice for losers unless you've reached your base bet. Okay, so that was a low bet, so I'm going to bet high. I won, bet low, I lost, multiply, bet high. Oh yeah, Cardano, love it. Multiply, stop those. Let's see where we're at. We're at now bet low, multiply, bet high, multiply, bet low. Okay, I won. Okay, so now I'm at 209.66. I'm going to, since I won, I'm going to divide twice. Divide once, divide two. I'm now at 160. That was for a low bet that I won, lower than 50,000. So I'm going to bet high. I lost, so I'm going to multiply my bet and bet low. I won, so I'm going to divide one time, divide again. I'm at my base, so I stop. I'm going to bet high. And you just keep the strategy up, and you can actually see that in real time. I am raising my balance. Just following this simple strategy. And again, you're always alternating bet low, bet high. If you win, you going to divide twice, unless you're back to your base bet. If you lose, you're going to multiply one time. You're going to hit this multiply button one time to multiply your betting amount. I won, so I'm going to divide. I'm back to my base. I'm going to bet low. I'm just going to run through it real quick. Multiply, bet high, divide, bet low, multiply, bet high, divide, bet low. And it is bet high, bet low. I am going to then, this is multiply, bet high. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get to 210,000. Divide, bet low. You always got to set yourself a goal, because you get wrecked if you get greedy and keep going on for too long. So just set yourself a goal. My goal today is going to be 210,000 for this video, and then I'll go ahead and wrap up the video here real quick. So let's bet low, bet high. All right, let's multiply. And I've reached my goal, but I'm just going to a couple more hits, and I'll be done. Multiply, bet low. All right, so 210,186. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to show you again. I started with 208,306, and in just a few minutes time, 2 minutes time, explaining you how to do this. I'm actually turning that into a new balance of 210,186. I can always come back to the home screen here, and here's the free Litecoin faucet, which will go ahead and be available in another 41 minutes. I can roll that, and I'll most likely get 431 more added to my balance here. But I just want to show you guys real quick how to do the multiplier for this. You can also do it on auto. There's certain settings you'll do for auto. I'll go over that in another video. But I just want to show you guys real quick how to manually use the free Litecoin page to get Litecoin added to your balance very easily. Just follow the strategy. You set yourself a base bet. If you lose, you're going to multiply your bet by hitting this button right here one time. And if you lose again, you multiply again by the same button press, alternating between bet low and high, low and high, low and high each time, low and high, low and high. And then if you do win, you're going to divide your bet by pressing this button. Do that up to 2 times per roll until you're back to your base bet. All right, so that's it, guys. Just real quick, show you how to make this Litecoin real quick. Free money, just simply taking some risk and making some rewards. This is Brian Frail. Below this video, you're going to see my link to get to this website and show you how to get started. It's very free. No personal info needed. No money. Just provide your email address and you're logged in and you're good to go. Same thing will work on the free Ethereum site here as well. Close that. The free Ethereum site works the same way. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and do the free Ethereum real quick. Faucet, because that one I haven't done just yet. Close out these stupid little pop-ups, and we'll say motorbus, 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 motorbus. I think that's all of them. Verify. I'm at 35 as part of what I'll get. See my number here. Let's go ahead and roll that. Stupid pop-ups. And boom, gonna get it. Boom. So yeah, so I rolled 74.95, which is below this number here, so it gave me 35 more. And then I could do the same thing on the free Ethereum. I could go to the earn page. I'm sorry, you could earn interest if you 8% interest yearly, just by keeping the money here on the site as well. But the multiply page is where you're going to use the multiplier I showed you. Runs the exact same way as the Litecoin one, the exact same method. I'll just do one really quick here. I'm going to do manual, and I'm going to say bet high. Okay, I won, bet low, multiply, bet high, bet low, till I get to my base bet of 80, multiply, bet high, bet low, bet high, multiply, bet low. All right, base bet of 80. I'm now at 10,558 free Ethereum. Let's go with bet high. I lost, multiply, bet low. I won, divide, back to my base, bet high, multiply, bet low, and divide, bet high. Still at my base, bet low, bet high. I lost, multiply, bet low, multiply, bet high, multiply, bet low, and boom. So I'm at 10,958. Let's get to 11. I'll now take that and divide twice, bet high, multiply, bet low, multiply, bet high, multiply, bet low, boom. So I'm at 11,000. And so at this point, I would divide, if I want to keep on going, I would divide my base bet twice. I divide that down to 320. I'm actually going to wrap this video up, and I'm now at 11,118. Just want to show you guys that you can do this on both the free Ethereum or the free Litecoin page and just get this free money very quickly. All right, this is Brian Farrell signing out. Below this video, I'll go ahead and leave the link to get started with both of these pages. Save them to your favorites. Come back in wherever you want. Roll the free faucet once every hour on each page. And then also use the multiplying strategy here and just multiply your free Litecoin, multiply your free Ethereum. That's it. All right, Brian Farrell signing out for 2021. Get that passive income, and let's go ahead and get that money. See you next time. Hit that subscribe button so you can see all the videos that I've been made, show you how to make that passive income for 2021. Hit the bell icon to know when I'm online, and I'll make a new video. That way you're updated when I when I update you about another way to make the passive income or an update on how I made income before. All right. So this is Brian Farrell signing out. 2021. Get the free passive money, and let's go make more. All right. See ya.